Hi guys, welcome back. Guessing some of you guys probably got a problem with your Audi TT where the light stays on because you've now changed your mechanical spoiler to a fixed one. I'm going to show you how to take that light out now using the obdeleven tool. So once you've got your car connected up, you don't need to hit scan at this point. You can just go straight into the control modules and then go to 09, which is for your central electrics, and then you need to go into the long coding. So just hit long coding. You might get a warning come up, and then what we need to do is move down the long coding to where it's got C9. So we just have to keep going along. There's loads of different settings in here that you can change and mess around with. Just be careful to keep an eye on what you are changing. Right, so this one here now, it says rear spoiler installed. We'll just untick that. Press and hold this to save it. Coding now is now accepted. Now the light's gone out. So the button down here won't work anymore. That's it. Lights out, there won't be no fault stored in there. You're good to go. Right, thanks guys. See you soon.